Welcome to High Oracle's Reiki Spiritual Healing Channel. And I just wanted to apologize for the ad that I put out for my Father's Day post of the blended family of Asian and the black men. And I wanted to apologize given what is in light of what's been going on in our communities. So moving forward, I thank all of you for your support. Here we have our spiritual inheritance. So we're talking about our spiritual inheritance today. And many of you have been regaining your strength. You have been regaining your longevity because of that narcissist that was attacking you. You have been able to set those spiritual boundaries. You have been able to tell these people the truth in order to regain the power that they had taken from you. A lot of you who have had this power taken away from you at an early age by these people shutting you down, not allowing you to speak. Okay, they did not want to see you. They have tried to make you invisible in the family when people were around. So this is the type of way they're trying to shut you down as a child, as a young person, in order to obtain your spiritual inheritance. That spiritual inheritance could be your blessings, your power, your creative essence, your beauty. It could be your strength. It could be your health or your longevity that they have attacked in order to obtain this spiritual, inheritance, your spiritual wealth, your spiritual abundance. It is being restored back to you because these people are in peril. They have been sending out so many attacks of black magic, so many attacks of voodoo, black matter, the evil eye, that negative energy has backfired up on them. Okay, we still have to work in the department of, spiritual justice. We have to work in the department of calling our power back, not wanting to be a part of these types of people because they have titles and money, because of their position. We have to be able to stand on our own. We have to be able to receive that spiritual power back the way that it has been taken. It is, the same way that it's going to be powerfully replaced in our lives. We're going to see that manifestation of power, our mental capacity, our clarity in giving us the direction of what we need to do, how we need to, pull our resources together, how we need to move together, what do we need most in order to invest in. Okay. And so, as I understand, being from the South, being from Georgia, then you want to always have the land. You want to have land that, you can have people to come and help you, that we can grow together, that we can grow everything that we need. And that is a part of our spiritual inheritance that a lot of these people have taken, not only in our homes, but in society. Okay, as a whole. And this is what I have been seeing, that we are regaining. They need the help. They need the help, but they're too arrogant to come and ask in our homes, in society, because they know that they haven't done the work. They haven't, paid us what is necessary for us to, live in harmony, to be a part of the community, in order to, be a whole. Okay, to be that blended family, that melting pot that we were supposed to be. And I hope that you have received this message. So please like, share, and subscribe to me. If you are, needing help with these blockages in your life, if someone is blocking your spiritual inheritance, you can reach out to me in the description below. Like, share, and subscribe to me over all of my platforms. I'm here with you guys on Instagram. I'm on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Please make sure that you're giving in donations or offerings in the description below. Like, share, and subscribe again. Leave a comment. I'm High Oracle, Reiki Spiritual Healer. Assalamu alaikum.